a nice space, very nice staff. Got a space with a void, perfect for the van. Let's go. Southampton Cruise Terminal. Luggage drop-offs just here for Celebrity. I'm going to get in this queue. First time ever we've not got luggage tags. We'll show you that process. We've not printed our luggage tags, so Costco didn't give us any. That's who we booked with. Now I've got to wait in this queue to get them handwritten. Sorted the bags out 20 minutes later. Bit quick as that. Everybody's on. Let's explore the ship.